I have a lot of people come to me and say, I tried Facebook, Instagram ads, they're not working. Well, let me tell you really quickly, the main reason for that is you're being too broad in your targeting. The key that you have to understand is Facebook and Instagram is probably the most undervalued right now as far as getting your ads out there, getting your voice out there. It is so cheap, it's ridiculous. And what you need to do is make sure that you have your audience defined. And let me explain that to you. The big thing that you can do is not be broad, like in the sense of trying to target 18 to 34-year-olds. They're two different types of people. A 20-year-old female that's going to UNM has different shopping patterns, different needs, looking on Instagram, going on Snapchat, all of those, whereas a 33-year-old female going out to dinner at the breweries with her husband, two different types of people. Define your audience, get really narrow. Look at your budget and say, where can I be that I'm not afraid to test and lose this money, and then go from there. If you want more information on this, you can go to, you could type in Gary Vaynerchuk or Gary V. He talks a lot about this, especially with the Facebook, Instagram. I'm pretty sure if you just Google Gary V Facebook ads, you'll get a lot of information on it. But I want you to know, if you need help with any of your Facebook, Instagram ads, need help with your digital marketing, we'd be more than happy to team up with you and assist you in that, and make sure that we get those going to the right audience at the right time. Thanks and have a great day.